Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. For today I have the Living My Best Light Brilliance Highlighter Palette by Beauty Bay. I just ordered it because I thought this one looks really pretty. There are 4 kinds of highlighters in it, but we've got Strobe, Charmed, Radiant and Shine Bright. So first I'm going to swatch them for you. And I think the best way to do that is on my hand. This one here is called Strobe. This one here is called Charmed, Radiant and Shine Bright. So maybe to do like this so you can see the difference. This is more toned down. This is already more glittery. This is toned down. And that one has the most glitters in it. I don't like, personally, a lot of glitters in my highlighters. I like a fine powdered highlighter because it is really that stunning. It is just like a light that shines bright on my cheek but isn't in your face with glitter. So those with glitters I normally use on my eyelids to enhance the highlight over there. But on this moment I've got this gorgeous look going on, so I'm not going to mess that up. But I want to place a highlighter here, and that won't be one with glitter. And I think with the colors going on there, I am going to get that golden one, Radiant. Just pick it up and put a little bit there. Oh, it is gorgeous. It says hello. I like that. Yeah. Okay. And then over here. Oh, okay. So Radiant. I love it so far. Yeah, Radiant. Radiant it is, because I like to be radiant. This color Radiant is also one that I would place on my cheeks right now because it really is in line with my look. But I've got 3 highlighters left, and the first one is Strobe, so that lighter. And I am going to place that over here. Ooh! It doesn't have any glitter in it, but it's already beaming. You see that? Ooh, I like it. I like it a lot. Yes. Yes, baby. Bring that eyeliner to me. So, then we've got Charmed. Charmed is also golden, so it's a warm tone. And I'm going to place that here. And as you can see a lot of glitter going on here. And this is something I don't like that. This is something I really would put on my eyes, but not on my cheek. You see, this is very soft and romantic, but still beaming in your face if the light hits it. And here it is just like, girl, did you put some glitter on your cheek? Yes, I have, but that's meant to be like this. Yeah, sorry. No, that is something I don't like. This one, it is nice in color, but I don't like the glitter in it. And then we've got Shine Bright. And I don't have any space left except here. Yeah, that is Shine Bright. Oi! Okay. A little bit of Rudolph action here. Yeah, that is very, very Shine Bright. This is like beaming to the moon and back. Phew! I never have. Okay, I'm just going to put that on top of Strobe. Okay, yeah. hello. This one has also glitter in it, but if I'm looking like this, it is not that glittery on my cheek as the golden. The golden one is really glittery, but this one is toned down in the glitter, but it is beaming. Just to make it a little bit less beamy. Okay, so here, oh God. I just always call this a Rudolph action because my nose is shining. It is not red, but it does shine right now. And here it shines. So the two accepted highlighters for me are Strobe and Radiant. Those two have no chunky glitters. This one is brilliant as a highlighter on the eyes. Real gold, because it's really golden. And this one is maybe for the inner corner. Okay, if I look like here, then I like this part, but it's too much over here. Am I happy with this palette? Yes, I'm happy because for all 4 of the highlighters, I can come up with something to do with it. But nevertheless, I won't use all 4 colors on my cheeks as a highlighter. The Strobe and the Radiance are okay for me as a highlight. Okay, this one is growing on me, but it's still so much. And I like this one color better than this one. But that all has something to do with also the colors on my eyes. This is really connecting better than this. So yeah, I am happy with this palette. It does what it has to do. It has highlighters and highlighting it does. Yes, it certainly does. I want to thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you didn't already, please subscribe to my channel. And I hope to see you next time. Bye!